So, hi, Mihir. How are you? Oh, good. Good. It's been 10 years.
Yes.
And now we're here again. At the
EMO.
50th. Yes, the 50th anniversary of the EMO exhibition.
Yes.
We are here. And of course, now there's some changes.
Oh, yeah.
With HURON Jyoti is now a huge aspiring organization.
Yes.
With terrific machines. So I noticed you stopped by this one.
Yes.
Yeah. This one, of course, is the KX 100. I think you are familiar with this range of machines. But you know, this is a bridge type machine, which of course is the most rigid type of mechanical format for a CNC machine tool, which HURON has developed over many years.
Yeah.
Many years for this style of machine. We have on this one, the KX 200, we have 2.3 meters X and Y with 1 meter in Z.
Yes.
We have 18,000 RPM electro spindle.
Wow.
So this is a temperature control, liquid cooled spindle. So when it comes to surface finish, this machine can give you the type of surface finish that you need for companies like in the UK. You know that I'm in the UK.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we tell you what are your best customers.
Of course. So in the UK, we have customers like I mentioned surface finish. The customer ARA, Aircraft Research Association.
Yes. It's a
They are making parts for wind tunnel test.
Oh.
So all of their parts, they cannot go on the bench
Yes.
for the filing. They have to come off the machine. No one can touch these parts.
Yeah.
They have to come off the machine with a surface finish of less than 1.6 RA, which means that it's almost like a polished surface. And we can achieve that on this machine. They have one of these machines in the UK. And the machine, I can't go into detail with exact parts, but aerospace parts for wind tunnel test and development. So you can take a whole fuselage for a military jet.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. And take it off this machine and go straight to the wind tunnel and do the test. Knowing that the accuracy and the surface finish, more importantly, is absolutely perfect. And there is no need for filing or touching. Then, of course, I mentioned ARA. They are part of a consortium of companies with GKN, Rolls-Royce, and of course the UK government also has an interest in ARA as a company. So this is a real high-end top aerospace company. I mentioned GKN. GKN also have 2 of these machines.
Oh.
A little bit smaller, but exactly the same machine.
Very good.
And what they are machining there, this is on GKN on the Isle of Wight. And what they are machining there is the nacelles for the engine. Some people call it the engine cowling.
Yeah.
You know, around the jet engine.
Some people call it
So the correct is a nacelle. That's what they are machining there. Again, complete on this style of machine, but a little bit smaller. So with this type of machine, thermally stable, very reactive, and one of the real intricate parts with a HURON machine is, with today's technology, everything can be dialed out with a CNC. That does not happen with HURON Jyoti. First of all, they have to make sure that the machine is mechanically perfect.
Yes, it's very important.
The geometry of the machine is perfect, as good as it can be. So then you're only using the CNC for dialing out little microns, not half a millimeter. Which, let's say, there are some companies that build their machines like this. You know that, Mihir.
Yes.
Yeah. Not with HURON.
Yeah.
It's just a finer detail. So harmonically tuned, thermodynamically stable, mechanically, geometrically perfect, and also we have options on the control system.
Yeah.
So there are many generations of Heidenhain in this case, but you can have the Heidenhain control, the Siemens control, or Fanuc control.
Yeah.
But we find that customers normally, once they have a particular control, they tend to stick with that control. So the Heidenhain, a little bit more expensive than the other controls, but customers like this. Yeah, so it's a popular control for us. And also with Europe, there's a huge development investment from the government, a collaborative investment of 150 billion. Wow. 150 billion euros, of which, very fortunately for the UK, they were invited to the table to have part of this, and be part of this collaboration. So this looks really, really good for the UK market. Yeah. And also, not only that's for defense, and also there is a new development for another 3 submarines to be built, which has protected the jobs at BAE Systems. Yes. Again, a Huron customer. Yeah, very good. No, too. Thank you very much, Mark. You're welcome. Thank you. Good to see you again. Thank you. Bye-bye.